Hello dear friends, welcome back to Vocalino's English Grammar course. In today's video, we are going to learn about noun and its types with examples. So let's begin. What is a noun? Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animal or idea. So basically, a noun is a naming word. For example, boy, city, table, dog, India, honesty. All these words are nouns. Now let us talk about the types of nouns. There are 5 main types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Now let us study each type of noun in detail. First one, proper noun. A proper noun is the specific name of people, places, or things. For example, Ria, Bengaluru, Sunday, India, Taj Mahal. A proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Next type is common nouns. Common nouns are general names of people, places, or things. For example, girl, teacher, city, book, river. These are common nouns. When we say girl, that could be any girl. When we say Priya, that is a name of a particular girl. So, Priya is a proper noun and girl is a common noun. Next type is collective nouns. Collective nouns are the names of groups of people, animals, or things. For example, a team of players, a flock of birds, a bunch of keys, a herd of cows, a bouquet of flowers. The next type is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the names of ideas, qualities, and feelings that cannot be seen or touched. For example, honesty. We can feel honesty, but we cannot see or touch. Beauty, courage, joy, freedom, all these are abstract nouns. The last one is material nouns. Material nouns are the names of materials or substances used to make something. For example, gold. Gold is a material noun, but a ring or a chain, that is a common noun. So that is the difference. Material nouns we use to make something. Silver, cotton, plastic, wood, water, all these are material nouns. Now let us understand types of noun with the help of a sentence. Here I have given a sentence. The brave soldier saved the child. In this sentence, soldier is a common noun. Child is a common noun. There is no name of that child. Only child is given, so it is a common noun. Bravery. Bravery we cannot see or we cannot touch. Bravery is an abstract noun that talks about a quality. Now let us talk about some common errors which normally either we use or we listen in our daily conversation. He gave me an advice. Actually, that is wrong. We have to say, he gave me some advice. She has many furnitures. It is wrong. We have to say, she has much furniture. This scissors is sharp. That's wrong. These scissors are sharp. So these are the right usages of certain sentences. So dear friends, once let us revise what we have studied in this video. There are 5 types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Proper noun is a specific name. India, Rahul, these are examples. Common noun are general names, boy, city, these are the examples. Collective nouns are group words or the name of groups, team, bunch, bouquet, All these were the examples. Abstract nouns are ideas or qualities which cannot be seen or touched. For example, honesty, bravery. The last one was material nouns. Material nouns are the names of substances which we use to make something. Gold, water, these are the examples. So, dear friends, I hope you understood the topic. We will discuss the next topic in the next video. Thank you.